Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we prepare TZ using corn flour in an African village. This is the pot she'll be using to prepare the TZ, so she's adding some water, then she'll also add sour water to it and cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Right now the water is boiling, so she'll go ahead and prepare porridge. She's using some of the corn flour in addition to the sour water to prepare the porridge. The porridge is ready, so she'll go ahead, cover the pot and allow it to boil very well. Then she can go ahead to prepare the TZ. She is using a different method from the one I know to prepare the TZ. So usually we pour the flour directly into the porridge to prepare the TZ, but in this video she'll be using this batter that she's preparing right now. That's a mixture of flour and some of the sour water. She'll prepare this down and rather use this to prepare the TZ instead of mixing it with the flour. The porridge is now well cooked, so she will set some aside and use it later. This is the batter she prepared down earlier, so she's going to mix this with the porridge to prepare the TZ. At this point, she's adding the remaining porridge. To check if the TZ is ready, you dip your fingers into it, and when it's not sticky to the fingers, then you know it is ready. The TZ is now ready, so you can enjoy this TZ with any soup of your choice. You could enjoy it with dry okra soup, you could enjoy it with even fresh okra soup. This TZ was served with fresh baobab leaf soup. So if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.